Welcome back. Today we're talking about deep conditioning for hair. If you want to keep your hair long, shiny, strong, and lustrous, deep conditioning is what you should be doing. The problem is, our hair goes through a lot of stress on a daily basis. This is caused from exposure to sunlight, pollution, heat styling, and chemical treatments. Over time, this can cause dryness, breakage, and a lot more damage. Deep hair conditioning is a great way to restore moisture and hydration to your hair and helps it prevent further damage. The solution to this is deep hair conditioning. Here we go. Firstly, choose the right product. Choose a deep conditioning treatment that's formulated for your hair type and concerns. Look for products that contains nourishing ingredients like coconut oil, shea butter, or argan oil. Apply the treatment to damp hair. Before applying the treatment, make sure your hair is damp and not soaking wet. This will help the product to penetrate your hair more effectively. Use a white-toothed comb to distribute the product evenly. Make sure you use the product generously, especially to the ends of the hair. What I do then is cling wrap my head and leave it on for 20 minutes. And then I use a steamer. You can also use a shower cap or a warm towel wrapped over your head so that the product penetrates a whole lot more. So if you don't have access to a steamer, you can also use a hair dryer. Once 20 minutes is up, you've got to let the hair cool. Then you rinse the hair thoroughly with cool water. This will seal the hair cuticle and locks in the moisture. Here's some of the conditioning treatments that I would use. I use a Black Diamond Caviar Hair Film treatment. I've also used the Olaplex number 3 and number 6. 3 is for pre-wash and 6 is a hair mask that can be used for deep hair conditioning. I also use Kerastase. I don't know why I can never get that word pronounced correctly. But in any case, I currently use this. And then I use my steamer. Settings and control buttons are here, and I set that for 20 minutes on medium to high, with the vent slightly opened so that it is more comfortable and doesn't heat up too quick. There you have it, some great tips on how to deep condition your hair. By incorporating this into your hair care routine, I can guarantee you would see results almost immediately. It really, really does help to prevent damage, to keep it luscious and soft and shiny throughout its entire wash until the next time. Thanks for watching RJ's Antics. Goodbye.